Well, they were.
No, they're not.
What are you trying to do? Just turn on the handbrake?
Yeah.
Yeah, or turn on the hazards. It'll go on anyway.
No! What are you turning for? I'm not looking for the keys.
The keys, she doesn't need the keys
No,
to
you
turn
don't
on
need
the
it. I found
hazards.
that out. I'm no cone.
Oh, but you shut up. It's cool.
Exactly. Where's my cone?
Just go over there.
Exactly.
Pretend you put out a
So
call.
by law, straight away you should not even carry on. Yeah. Okay?
Look at you, Starshine. Go inside.
No,
Go inside. You're interrupting my test.
I'm not. I want to watch it.
I want to watch that.
Really? You could have carried 256 together there.
Any difficulty?
Yeah, it's heavy fucking lifting it out.
Okay,
You
so
suffer with a bad back.
level of difficulty, 1 being easy, or 1 being the hardest, 5 being the easiest.
Sorry now a minute. I'm not listening to you.
Janita.
Medium heavy, not really bad.
Well, I
Number
say
3 doesn't it?
It's so-so, but for
So,
a person that has a bad
4.
back, you know, it's not
We'll give you a 4, so.
the best. Now I need
Grab her
the
the
keys,
key.
you see.
Is that them?
Yeah.
See that there, something I didn't do.
I know, but didn't have to do this straight away, did I?
You did. No, that's right. Get in, Joey.
How did you get out? Oh, that's you out. Come
Get-
in. Come on.
Joey.
Come in. No, Tato. No.
You find that difficult?
I find what way I can open them.
No, that's tight on it.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You're doing the same as her now.
You don't have to tell her what she's doing.
I'm not saying.
You just did. Come in, Tato. Come on.
Well, it's alright if you have these tightened yourself. But
No.
when the garage tightens them, they won't open.
Tato. Don't. Tato.
Do close the door and put the dogs in one by one.
Joey. Joey's gone. Joey.
And so is Kizzy behind you.
Get in. Get in. Get in. Joey.
Come on, in.
This is fucking hard.
So 1.
Yeah, but you know, it's as I said, if you're tied by a
They were tied by a person last.
yeah,
So
I know who they were fucking tied by. Gerda.
they weren't.
They won't open. They just won't open. All I could get is one open.
Did you get one? In there now. In. In. Very good. Tato's gone. I can't get it.
I can't open those.
Is that a quit?
I don't want to quit, but I can't open them.
So that's a quit.
Sorry.
That's good.